In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a music visualizer in Renderforest. We'll move step by step, keeping things simple, clear, and quick, so by the end you'll have a polished visualizer ready to share. First, head over to the Renderforest website and log into your account. If you're new to the platform, make sure you're signed in so your project saves properly as you work. Once you're in, look at the left panel and click on Templates. This is where all the ready-made designs live, and it's the fastest way to get a professional result. In the search bar, type Music Visualizer. You'll see a range of visualizer templates, each with its own style and animation. Browse for a moment to find one that fits your track's vibe. When you've found a favorite, click it and then select Create Now to open the editor. Let's add your track. Click on Audio, then choose Upload Music. Select your audio file from your computer and click Open. For the smoothest results, use a high-quality file, ideally a final mix in common formats like MP3 or WAV. Keep in mind that longer tracks may take slightly more time to process. Next, personalize the visuals. Click Background to change the image or video if the template supports it. A clean, visually cohesive background works best. Avoid overly busy footage that could distract from the visualizer motion. Darker backgrounds often make waveform elements pop, but choose what suits your song's mood. Now click Text to edit the title and artist name. Keep it concise and readable. Double-check capitalization and spelling, and consider how it appears against your background. If your background is bright, a darker text color can help maintain clarity. Then click Colors to customize the visualizer's palette. Try aligning the colors with your brand or album art, but prioritize contrast so the visualizer stands out. If your background is dark, lighter accent colors will usually look better. If it's light, go with deeper tones. When you're happy with the setup, click Preview. Renderforest will generate a quick preview so you can watch and listen together. Pay attention to how the animation responds to the music and whether your text is legible throughout. If something feels off, just hop back and tweak the background, text, or colors, and preview again until it feels right. Finally, click Export when you're finished. Renderforest will process your video and prepare it for download and sharing. That's it, your music visualizer is ready to go.